Let me show you how to buy crypto with US dollars or your preferred fiat currency using Bifrost Wallet. First, tap the menu button at the bottom of the screen. Tap Buy. Choose the cryptocurrency you want. In this example, we'll buy Flare. Enter the amount you wish to purchase. Next, create an account with your email and verify your identity with an ID card. This only takes a few minutes. Review the transaction summary, then tap Continue. Select your payment method. Bank transfers have lower fees and are better for larger transactions. Cards have higher fees, but process instantly. For this example, we'll use Apple Pay. You need to add recipient details. Tap Continue. Tap Yes, I own this account, if that is the case. Tap Self-hosted wallet. Tap Continue. Here you enter Bifrost Wallet. Then continue. Tap Confirm Wallet Ownership. Then tap Continue. Review your order. If you're in Europe, your currency may switch to Euro instead of USD. If everything looks good, tap Buy with Apple Pay. Confirm the transaction. Your order is now processing. Once complete, the status will update. Tap Continue to Bifrost Wallet. Tap Flare to view your received transaction. That's how easy it is to buy crypto with Bifrost Wallet. To learn more, I recommend watching these videos. You can also contact us by visiting support.bifrostwallet.com and tapping the chat window on the lower right. For more tutorials, subscribe and stay up to date on new releases.